Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing our simple stamping for beginners. And this card is really quick and easy. We are just using basic black, tuxedo memento black, and our light and dark granny apple green blends. So it's super quick and easy. This can be a masculine or a feminine card. I'm going to show you on the next one how to step it up just a hair, because I know a lot of people like to see how to step it up just a bit. So I am going to share that also. So what you need for this is a piece of 5.5 by 4 1/4. This is your card base, just our normal card base. And then this piece, we're going to make this a little bit bigger this time, and we're going to do it at 4 by 5 1/4. And I believe the other one is 5 by 4. So we're going to add a 1/4 of an inch to our 5-inch side to just take up a little bit more space and see if I can get a little bit more leaf in there on the top and bottom leaf right here, although I like it off of the paper, so we'll see what it looks like, see if I like it better. Alright, so we're going to use the Humming Along, and this has become one of my favorite stamp sets. I really, when I got it, I didn't think that I was going to really use it or like it that much. I love the sentiments in it though. So I love the cursive, fancy cursive with the regular font. So yeah, I did a technique card with this hummingbird, and it was beautiful. That bird, it's absolutely beautiful. I love this flower, and I intend to use that yet in a card. But today we are just using the leaf and wishing you an amazing birthday. Alright, so we're using Memento Black, and we are just stamping our sentiment pretty much in the center. Maybe a little bit down further than the center, and just make sure you have it straight. Try that. I always use my grid paper. You can buy this grid paper from Stampin'Up, and it really helps with keeping things in line. So that's our sentiment. We are also going to stamp the leaf with the Memento Black, and I'm starting to stamp around the sentiment, because that is where, now we're going to do this one this way, and we're still going to go off of this because I really like the look of it going off. So you're going to just turn your leaf to go different, like they're falling, and then that one, and then we're just going to do one more right on this side. And that's basically it. We are just going to color in with our blends, and I'm using, you can use whatever you want, but I love the granny apple green, so we're using the light and dark, and I'm pretty much just simple making one side a little bit darker, and then try to blend quickly when you're using the light and dark, because you don't want, to keep the lines. If you just do outline them all and then fill them in, you're going to have a little bit starker lines. And then we're going to just move to the other one. You can do it either way. You can do your light first and then go in with your dark. Sometimes I find when I do that, I have to go back and get my light again and go over it like this one, because I like it blended really nicely. Okay, we're going to move on to the next one, and I'm no way and means a professional alcohol marker. I just go with whatever I like, and I am trying to teach myself a little bit more about it, but I am no way a professional. I've seen some really beautiful work out there with alcohol markers and Copics, but I am not doing that. So I'm trying to keep one side a little bit more darker and one side a little bit, just to give it a little bit of contrast. And if you want, you can use the bullet tip on the other side. When I'm blending, I like to use this brush side. We'll go ahead and fill this one in first. But I love this leaf. When I first saw it, I thought, that leaf looks like a falling leaf. It just grabbed my attention. And then we're going to just blend this one back in. But super, super quick and easy coloring. And if you are a professional, or you really do, you could probably do some beautiful blending with this. When you're blending, always go in a circle. I think it just looks so much nicer. Alright, I'm going to leave it just like that because I think it looks really pretty that way. So here is the basic card. We're going to put it on our Granny Apple Green card base. I'm going to use some snail for that. By the way, when you're coloring, if you're a beginner, do not color on your dining room table with the alcohol markers, our blends, because it will, as you see, go through onto your table. So just be really careful with that. And then the only thing I'm going to do to step this up a tad, and I do like this bigger, so I'm going to say go with the 5 1/4 by 4, unless you like more of the Granny Apple Green. I'm using our basic adhesive back sequence, and I'm just going to add some of these really light, it looks like a light either lemon lime twist or Granny Apple Green, I'm not exactly sure. We're just going to add a few around the leaves. Put one there. I don't know, I kind of just like the 3 there. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Maybe one here, and maybe just one more. I like to do an odd number. So, and if it was for a man, they probably wouldn't want the sequence on. But I just wanted to show you something you can do to step it up just a tad if you wanted to. So here is our simple stamping card and our beginners series basic card. So you can do it either way. You can do it 4 by 5 like I did that one, or you can do it 5 1/4 by 4. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop for my blog. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.